Hi, this is once again PT Dev, your personal language coach, English language coach. Okay, you know why? My friend asked me, why do we learn to speak and learn to write English effectively? तो मैंने उसको बोला, राइट, कि ज़्यादातर फॉर स्टूडेंट्स जो ट्वेल्थ पास करते हैं, राइट, तो ट्वेल्थ के बाद उसको जो भी स्टडी है, फॉर एग्जांपल इफ़ यू गो फॉर बीएससी, इफ़ यू गो फॉर बीबीए, इफ़ यू गो फॉर एमबीबीएस, इफ़ यू गेट गुड मार्क्स, और इफ़ यू गो फॉर say for example BCA, BE, right? So the medium will become English only. तो उसमें क्या होता है, जो हमारे बच्चे हैं जो स्टेट बोर्ड में पढ़े हैं, हिंदी मीडियम में, गुजराती मीडियम में, राइट, और एनी रीजनल लैंग्वेज, सो दे विल फाइंड फॉरेन व्हेन दे come in the first year of education. My one brother was literally crying in his first year, because he studied thoroughly in Gujarati or state medium, right? So when he came up in English medium suddenly, so yeah, so he finds very difficult, to express ourselves, because जो English है, it is a global communication, right? It is also for career advancement, right? We can boost our confidence when we speak English, and we can have access to all the information, and we can build our network, right? If you speak and if you know English, and education benefits, as I told you, जैसे मैंने बोला, right? Or digital literacy, everywhere in internet you will find here there English only, and travel convenience, right? And the last and not least, that is self growth. Our progress is equal to, I say, life is equal to progress. Okay, and learning is progress. Okay, so are you losing out on better paying opportunity just because you can't speak confident English? Do you feel embarrassed when you are unable to express your ideas during important meetings or interviews in English? होता है ना कभी कभी, when we want to speak English, we want to say lots of things, but वो क्या होता है, उसमें thoughts organize नहीं होते हमारे, we will not find apt words, जो words होते हैं वो मिलते नहीं है, कभी कभी वो sentences construct नहीं होता, right? So how often have you come across such embarrassment, and does the thoughts of presenting in English in your school, in your college, institutions, your company, any meeting, leave you anxious and unprepared? And are you stuck in your career because advanced roles demand fluency in English and you are not there yet? मेरी एक फ्रेंड थी, उसने मुझे कॉल किया कि सर मैं ऐसे तो मैं इंग्लिश मीडियम में ही पढ़ी हूँ, मगर अभी मैं जॉब कर रही हूँ, राइट? सो शी हैज़ डन BCA, MCA, एंड शी हैज़ बीन सर्विंग सिंस 2023, right? It was more than 2 years, but when she was asked to present something, जो ऑनलाइन में उसको अगर कोई प्रश्न पूछते हैं, क्वेश्चंस पूछते हैं, राइट? सो अचानक से कोई क्वेश्चन पूछ ले, अचानक से उसको कोई ऐसा पूछ लेते हैं, तो she becomes nervous, right? So she doesn't find any words, right? It happens with her repeatedly. So she took our workshop, she took our class, and we have provided her with satisfactory solutions. So आपके साथ भी अगर ऐसा होता है, right? So you just be a researcher, right? And आपका number 2, you must discover your why. What are your aims to learn English? अगर आप फन के लिए ऐसे जनरल इंग्लिश सीखना चाहते हैं, that's okay, but you must clear your why. Okay, so why makes you and compel you to do action, right? Okay, so आप right coach choose कीजिए, right? And keep visiting my channel, my video lessons, and you will find descriptive links, useful resources, especially my website and my other video, right? In order to learn English effectively. Okay, so this is Dave, your language coach. This is over and out.